Hello, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're gonna test this beautiful handmade Marzocco espresso machine. After I replace the vacuum breaker valve and make a tune-up, replace the group head gasket and the screen, make deep clean for the group head with urinate coffee cleaner. Descale the machine with citric acid, deep clean for the steam wand, and deep clean for the porter filter. Let's test it together and make a nice espresso shot. Wow. This is great and yummy. Let's taste the hot water. And the steamer. That's great. Thank you for watching.